Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Early, actually, because I had to go shower at my parents' house because this water.
Too brown?
I just got off work and I just ran to my parents' house to shower. I mean, yeah, because the water is brown. It's weird.
How long has it been brown for?
So basically, when I moved into this house 2 months ago.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. A lot of work.
Are you a nurse?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for your service.
You're welcome.
You have that look. That you like
gosh.
caring for others, so God bless you.
Well, that's really wow. That's a nice compliment. Thanks. Yeah.
So you moved in a little while ago.
Yeah,
And
okay,
when
so
did?
when I first came in, like the water was fine, like everything was clear. The moment I used my washing machine, brown. The hot water is brown. You can come in because
Yeah, I just want to.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Yeah, we have our own
You guys
car.
are very mannered.
We try. Oh, don't forget the keys. Here's my card.
Okay.
Take the keys first.
Yeah. I'm just like this.
It's okay. I caught you before. I'm here a little early. It's fine.
No, it's perfect.
So I understand you have an A.O. Smith water heater.
Yes.
And that's, we're gonna take a look at first.
Okay.
Also, is there where's the nearest toilet that I can take a look at? I just want to see what the water quality is
I
like.
actually removed the toilet in the kitchen. I have one upstairs.
Oh, okay, so
And
let me,
I'm gonna go-
pop
yeah.
these off and let's take a peek
Okay.
at the toilet. I want to see what the water quality is like by looking inside the
So
tank.
so after when I turned on the washing machine, it was brown, but I let it run for a while, and then it started to clear up. But it's like every time I use the sorry, my bathroom.
Yeah, no, that's okay.
Every time, so right now, Mike, is clear.
It's clear.
But if I turn on the washing machine, it's gonna be brown. I can turn it on right now to show you. Oh, but you see the.
Yeah, it's a slight tint of brown to it, yeah.
But
And if
it
you
gets
were to
darker.
fill up the sink, it'll also turn brown. Let me just want to see the toilet tank.
Okay.
Let me squeeze that for a second.
But the cold water is clear.
Yeah, it will be because.
So that's what I have in.
Yeah, crystal clear.
It's so freaking cool. Like you don't have to. You just sip it up like.
Oh, this is
Yeah,
crazy.
I know. It's so cool.
What a teeth. That's pretty cool. I was trying to make that not spray down like that, but I'm a glutton for punishment. Tell me about the research that you
It
did.
said that like okay, so basically there's like a lot of sediment at the bottom of the tank.
Yeah, that's what I want to see.
The water heater. I'm gonna go back.
Gotta love the orange yellowish linoleum.
I should actually wear my.
Yeah.
So my basement is
Go.
unfinished. I have a lot of work to do, but so yeah, when I turn and another thing too, cause like I thought when the washing machine is on, water's supposed to come out up here. It doesn't. Is it just
No,
like it's a
this is
construction-
when the washing machine runs, it goes into that standpipe there.
Oh,
See that black
this,
pipe?
Okay.
That's the standpipe. We call it standpipe for the wash machine.
Okay.
So the drain for, I guess that's the wash machine, goes into there. Some houses, you may be used to this, they have it dumped into the laundry sink,
Yeah.
which is what that is. But this looks like it's like condensate from somewhere. You have a HVAC system for heating and cooling? Oh, you have ductless.
Ductless,
You
yeah.
electrified the house.
Yeah, this was all set up for me, so I was like, okay, this is cool.
Ah,
So
interesting. Okay.
and my water meter is there.
They electrified the house, but they kept gas boiler, gas water heater.
So that so I'm not even using this, right? Like because I use the ductless. This thing I have to.
No.
switch.
This doesn't work?
Yeah, it's like you gotta turn the bowl a little bit.
Okay, turn the bulb. Other way. There you go.
Just the girl, sorry.
I'll do it for you. You're just a nurse. What are you talking about?
Yeah. I gotta get my dad to fix this switch. I'm like, I can't.
Do I have to hold it? Do I have to hold it?
Wow, that's so
No, hold on. We'll get.
We did it though. We're crazy. And then the previous owner was a contractor.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You know, it's
But that
actually very
works.
Smart, yeah.
And now you can play with the bulb.
Extremely smart. Water this color, it's only the hot water.
And I was looking for the date, so 2020. December.
Yeah, they installed it 2021.
40 gallon.
So I guess this was made in 2020. They
Yeah.
installed it.
But if you notice, you have the foam insulation melting here and there. This is the exhaust piping for the water heater. This needs to be 4 inches, not 3 inches. Actually, double check that. 40,000. Yeah, this needs to be 4 inches, not 3 inches, and that could have easily been done, but they were lazy or whatever. More the old water heater used that, but this melting is not good because that means the hot exhaust gases are melting this, which means it also coming into the basement as well. At one point, right now I keep my hand there and it's not burning my hand, but something melted that, and that's the exhaust gas spilling out of here and there.
I remember the inspector didn't peep this. Like,
Really?
I feel like he should have said something.
They should have. So back to what A.O. Smith was saying, they're saying that the water quality. So the reason why, sorry, go ahead.
No, yeah.
The reason why I wanted to look at a toilet, because inside the tank itself, we'll see like what kind of, like if there is sediment or sand or high concentrations of iron coming into the water supply, because the tank, even though it's cold water, will turn like a rust color or dark brown or even black in some cases, and that's iron. Now, what happens when there's any iron in the water coming into the house, most cases you're okay. I'm not saying drink this water, but most cases you're okay. But once it's heated by like a water heater, for example, it changes the water chemistry slightly, and that iron will discolor the hot water only. And that's why it's important when you have a storage tank like this that it gets flushed on a certain basis, whether it's once a year, every 3 years, what have you. Right. And also there's a protective anode rod, which is right there, also melted, by the way, the cap. See that black cap?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so that is more important than the discoloration. That needs to be addressed.
Okay, because I still have warranty, so hopefully it's part of the warranty they can change
It's improper installation.
Oh, improper installation?
Well, this right here is improper. Done wrong.
So it's nothing with my owners, it's the people who,
whoever installed this heater installed it the wrong way. And because of this sticker, forget about A.O. Smith, but because of that signature thing, I know that this water heater came from Lowe's, and chances are either a handyman installed it, someone who shouldn't be installing water heaters installed it, or, and I hate to say it, their quote-unquote contractors installed it, Lowe's contractors, because these guys have paid peanuts. Yeah. But someone who didn't know what they were doing installed this and made it look good, at least for the most part, but how this is melted, that's melted, and even in the plastic piece around the anode rod, which is what I'm here for. And that's all probably caused by this being the wrong size. Or there's something wrong with the chimney, which we'll investigate on, because I'm here and you're paying me for my time, and I'm going to make sure I leave no stone unturned, because that's what you're paying for.
Yeah.
Great water pressure, but... So I wanted to fill the bucket first before we start doing anything, just to see how bad this is, but this is
bad.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
Oh my god, I can't believe I showered in this.
Yeah, you do.
How the heck? And it's weird because my water was so clear.
Yeah.
And I used hot water.
Crazy. All right, I have a laundry hose, 2 female ends on both sides, going to my little giant 331. See how brown that water is. Look at that. We're gonna run this for several minutes until it gets more clear. I may have to pull the plastic drain valve out of the bottom of the heater, but wow, incredible. All right, let's route the 2 1/4-inch screws holding this 7x3 smoke reducer and 3-inch pipe. Let's take a look. Now it's clear, and you have a stainless steel lining. All right, 5 minutes later, she's coming out almost clear.
They said it's our water supply that's causing this.
Now hold on. You want to die?
Okay.
Hold on. I want to get this thing to... Hold on. Make sure that's still running, which it is. Okay, so remember, I'll bring it to the light for you. Well, the water is clear, but what's different about what you see? Besides the foam on top, what do you see that's different?
I don't really see much sediment like how it was before. I don't know. Like I just think it's clearing.
What color is this bucket?
Oh, my bucket is white. Well,
What color is the bottom of the bucket?
I think this bucket was dirty though. What's this bucket?
So that was this bucket.
I think it was like
That was that bucket.
it was the same.
This was a brand new white bucket.
Oh shoot.
So what you're seeing settled at the bottom of the heater is cocky. Seriously. All right, I got my impact driver and I got a cheater bar. I still got that anode rod. It do not want to go. No. All right. I got the HD 12.0 and the XC 3.0. Hopefully this works. Unbelievable. Nope, it ain't going nowhere. Crazy. I'm gonna keep it real. I spent an ample amount of time and 3 M18 batteries trying to get that anode rod out. Not budging. Not budging. Maybe one day in the future when we replace this water heater, we'll take it outside and put a little extra muscle on, if you know what I mean. If you live in the Long Island, New York area, and you're tired of getting bamboozled with your plumber, and you got the brownness of the water, you need a water filter or your water heater maintenance, pick up the phone, give me a call, 516-348-6300. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe.